Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is, what is it? Wednesday, May 30th? Something like that. It's been really hot. Haven't been riding much because it's been like 99 degrees. It's just been really hot, and it's just not a lot of fun to ride in the heat. So I haven't been taking my days off, because normally I'll take a day off and ride all day. So I've just been working and getting some time off, a couple afternoons on the weekends, and just kind of not do anything. It's just stay inside in the air conditioning. But anyway, kind of concerned. We're gonna go on our annual trip in June, probably in a couple weeks. But I'm concerned that we got heat everywhere, not just Texas. I even saw Illinois and Indiana are up in the high 90s, and I'm thinking, oh crap, if it's going to be like that the entire trip, we may end up taking a vehicle with air conditioning this year instead of the bike. I don't know. My wife kind of leaning that way, but I'm kind of hoping the weather breaks, at least up north, so it's not excessively hot all the way on our entire trip. If it is, I don't know if I want to do that, because it makes for uncomfortable 100-degree days riding the motorcycle. So kind of sucks. I wish I could take off take vacations like in April, but work doesn't allow me to do that. I kind of wait until the work really slows down in the summer when schools are out. And I guess it's worked the last few years. Just had a couple of hot days here and there, but I'm hoping it breaks, because I do want to take my annual ride. I don't have my ND filter on the GoPro, because let's see what it looks like. It might have to just drop the exposure in post a little bit. Should be okay. Anyway, still warm. I just got the bike out of the garage. It's more than, it says 85, but it's not. It's way above that. It's got to be in the 90s right now. Still, it's like 751. Anyway, I hope we get to go for our annual ride this year. I've been procrastinating and not putting my new front tire on yet, but I have time. And my oil's not at I usually change it about 4,000. I'm still just like 3,200, so, but I'll change it before we go, even if I'm not at 4,000. So I'm procrastinating a little bit. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. It's finally dropped below 90 degrees. It's 8:22 p.m. Sun's going down, and it finally dropped to 88. It was 92 a few minutes ago. So it's cooling off. I don't know what little town this is. If it's it's Wahlberg. Cool. Got some really cool old churches out in the countryside there. I saw one back there. It was Cornhill is what the little community was called. Something like Cornhill or something. I forgot what it was. But it had a cool church. Anyway, I have to ride in the evenings in the summer to get to cool off a little bit. Then I got to watch for deer, which kind of sucks. But I watch for them. I haven't hit one yet, thank goodness. Ooh, 972. So I will go, I don't know which way Takes me back to Georgetown. That way. Anyway, getting kind of nice out right now. Anyway, bye.